Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C30i on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write SOUNDCORE. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it and click Agree and Continue. Now you can sign in into your account, but I'm going to skip it. Hello, add device, hello. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!